Upside down. Bakit daw sila nakabaliktad?
Bakit daw sila nakabaliktad?
Bakit kaya?
Ganyan sila matulog.
Kayo?
Ganyan sila matulog.
Wala? Trip lang nila? Well, let me see.
Di ba ganyan sila matulog?
Everybody, I want you to try this. Close your head like this.
Ganon, ganon.
Real tight. See how much energy it takes to do that. Now I want you to relax. Relax your head, look up it. Your head's open, right? Well, the back close works the opposite. When they are relaxed, their claws are closed. So when they are hanging on the bench, they are more comfortable. And the other reason is their legs are so
comfortable sila pag ganyan.
And it's not time to walk or take the time to ground just like a bird.
Bakit doon ko mapunta sa ano nila?
Hindi, masanay sila na ano.
They will climb up to a higher place. And when they are high enough, they will eventually fall into...
Mas relax pala sila pag naka-close up.
Into fly! Wow! May shower pa kasama. Okay, ano ba ang damo?
Baka taihan
And
ako.
that's how that night. Round of applause for Manu, our giant fruit bat.
Ay, fruit bat.
Ganda! Ang ganda
Okay,
na
now,
naman.
Johnny, would you like 3 more? Okay, let's meet another client friend. He's thinking to meet
Sana dito yung class.
very strange looking big. Everybody, I want to meet Noy Noy. What kind of bird is Noy Noy? Tukan?
Bird!
Hindi ba
Bird!
manok na pula?
Parrot!
Ay, just kidding.
Ay, akala ko bird! Akala ko bird! Ano yan? Parrot? Daddy!
Kalaw.
Yes, kalaw. Well, see that big thing?
Chicken! Kalabaw?
That is it's actually a baby finger to make your voices louder. And hornbills are quite
Hinulog.
Hornbill.
Hinulog.
So breaks like a donkey.
Hinulog.
Parang hornbill ko kato.
And I know it's a little hard to see, but take a look. Hornbills have eyelashes. Or pilikmata. To make them
May pilikmata sila.
sexy. And down here is a combination of fruit, insects, and small animals. So their beaks quite handy. They can pluck fruit from here just like our fingers. Then down here will show you how. Okay, banana, melon, and grape. What is favorite? Banana. No, choose one? Wow, banana. And it's big enough to catch me with me there. Ready, now? Just like this. Ayaw? O higher? O gusto mas mataas? Ready, Noy? Alright! For Noy, our food for dinner. Thank you so much, Noy. Bye! Alright, the next animal that I'm going to introduce to you is one of my favorites. Yes, one of my favorites. But it is feared by many humans for no good reason. Ano kaya yun? Aha, snake, yes, you're right. Specifically, it is a Burmese python. One of the largest snakes in the world. They can grow up to 6 meters tall and weigh around 75 kilograms. But you don't have to worry because they are not venomous and not aggressive. So if you find a python under your seat, just leave them alone and it will get out on your way as quickly as it can. Yes, nakita ko na. Now, are you ready to meet my friend?
Yeah!
Lalo na sumagot. Everybody, are you ready? Then I want to meet Benny. Tama na? Okay, relax. It's here. Purple. Can you see his tongue? Well, yung mga snake palabas-labas yung dila nila, di ba? They keep sticking their tongue out because they're smelling the air with it. Try that sometimes.
Inaamoy nila yung air.
Gamit nila.
So their eyes are always open even they are sleeping.
Akala ko nangangasar lang sila.
Spectacles. And see that beautiful pattern of his skin. It helps him to blend in perfectly with his nature, just like our tree branch right here. Okay, now I have a tricky question. Are snakes slippery and slimy or smooth and dry?
Smooth and dry.
Okay, sino may sabing slippery and slimy? Taas ang kamay. 2, 6,
Knock dry yan eh.
24. How about smooth and dry? Smooth and dry? 10, 26, 75. Yung iba, I don't know. Meron pa din. Okay. To find the right answer, parang guys, may lucky guess ba tayo? Asa yung lucky guess natin? Ayun, nandiyan pala si ma'am. Mukhang hindi ako sa snake, no? Please join me on stage, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Welcome to the show. Stand up here. Okay, harap muna tayo dito, ma'am. What is your name? Jenny. Jenny. Where are you from?
Ang ano?
Ako Rizal. Walking distance? No, I'm just kidding. Sino kasama mo, ma'am? Lahat sila. Ay, ito lang po. Sino kasama ni ma'am?
Kami.
Ayun. Any last word for her? No, I'm just kidding. Ma'am, tapos ka ba sa snake? Hindi. Okay, it's gonna be easy for you. We have a little game. All you have to do is to follow my simple instructions. Ready ka na? Okay, hindi daw takot sa snake trailer. Let's see. Lapit ka dito na. First, I want you to touch, then stay. Hold here, then another slider. Yan. Isa pa? Parang nanginginig ka, ma'am. Okay, next. Bitawan mo naman. I want you to feel the body from here down to the tail. Dalawang kamay? Yan. Lalo kang pumuti, ma'am. Okay, and that I want you to touch. Then is head. Yes, fingers. Hindi pa kumain for 6 months and 6 years. Ang gulo pa. Okay, wait lang, ma'am. Ipapakita mo lang sa inyo, okay, how to touch the head. All you have to do is to raise your hand like this. Then in count of 3, touch the head slowly. Yan, ganun lang, ma'am. Lapit ko dito. Taas isang kamay. Then in count of 3, touch the head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kuya Olan! Sorry ma'am, nalaglag yung takit ng sinigang ni Kuya Olan. Okay, one more. Touch it again. Ayan. Okay, dito naman. Tayo kanina. This is that then is he different, slimy or smooth and dry? Smooth and dry. Dahil tama yung sagot mo. Yan. Dahil tama yung sagot mo, ma'am, sa'yo na si Denny.
Uwi na natin yan.
Okay, ka naman. Alright, so how about that round of applause? Thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, for Denny, our Burmese python. Alright, so in our show today, you've met some really amazing animals, right? But some people too, while animals like those, they want to take them home, we turn them into pets. While animals do not raise those pets, sadly, they suffer in diet from the pets. So please, do not keep wild animals as a pet. Instead, why don't you choose domestic animals like a man's best friend?
Sa first row.
Oh, of course, and this is... Ito naman yan. Ready ka na ba, Troy? Okay, how about the waiter over there? Hi! Dogs are intelligent. Alex, you're giving an always glad to see you. And you can have much time together just like this.
Playful, oh! Playful! Playful!
May whistle sila na animals na nakaka-relate.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Chuy Chuy. Nag-trailer Jessa. Well, street dogs like Chuy want nothing more but to be a part of a loving family just like yours. So adopt a dog and have the best pet ever. Is that right? Are you sure?
Ang ginagawa? Ang ginagawa?
Ang dami nang sinabi ah. Pero Jessa, ano sabi? Yes. Yes lang yun? Oh, yes lang daw. Best bet ever. So, ganyan na lang. Before you go, how about a wave goodbye to them? Bye-bye! Alright, bye! Once again, a nice round of applause for our rescue dog. Good. Good job, Joy. Bye! Alright, so all the animals you've seen today, they were sick, injured, abandoned, and nursed back into good health. Every one of them has a story to tell. All they want is that we protect this fragile environment that we will know. And don't let animal species disappear forever. So please, give really of your kindness and compassion to the birds in the sky, to the bats on the trees, to the dogs on the street, and to the snake on the forest path. Give them your promise to do your part to help because they are all counting on us. And before you go, I would like to invite everyone to try our beach spa and sliding glide spa, where you can have a photo with an owl, snake, and feeding with lovers. If you are interested, just please approach our friendly park guide and we are happy to assist you. So on behalf of our animal friends, the trainers, and our salman up there, I would like to say thank you for joining us here today. We hope you enjoy the show. Only here at Ocean Adventure.
Clap. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.